Hey guys, it's Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm on the road, but I'm not on a road trip yet. Today I'm heading over to my daughter's house to visit my grandson. He's just a couple months, 2-3 months old now. He's the sweetest little guy. I love him so much, and I'm going to spend some time with them today. And the rest of the week I'm going to be getting my van ready to leave for the Upper Peninsula, Lake Superior. I'm going to go rock hunting. Anyhow, I've had my van in for a couple different reasons. Recently, I felt it was shifting strangely, and I went to check the transmission fluid, but wouldn't you know, yeah, in these cars, what the heck, it's not that easy. There's a dinky little plug thing way down in the engine. Of course, I Googled everything to see if I could do it by myself. I YouTube everything first. But it's an ordeal. You gotta use your oil dipstick to measure your transmission fluid when the car is running. The plug is like this tiny. It's way down in the engine. It's just it's a drag. So I took it in, found that my transmission fluid was a little low. I don't know how that happened. They said I have no leaks. I don't understand. Whatever. We're all good now. And then also prior to that, I took it in and had the back brakes done and just a couple other little wear and tear things. So yeah, I'm gearing up to go. But anyhow, stay tuned, because very shortly I'm going to be popping out a video before I leave, or shortly after I leave, depending on the time, of one of my viewers, subscribers, who recognized me in a store and stopped me. We had a great conversation, and I'm going to do a video about his van and his experience with just viewing not only my YouTube channel, but a lot of people's YouTube channels, and how it helps everyone become better van campers. And it can be done. It doesn't take much. You can do it, guys. Yeah, less is more. Doesn't have to be any fancy thing, because as you know, I am referred to as not so fancy Nancy, and I'm okay with that, because guess why? I'm not so fancy. Yeah. So that is all. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. I'm just gonna go visit my grandbaby and get some love in with him and my daughter, and then I'm gonna be off very soon for the Upper Peninsula, rock hunting on Lake Superior. But I am gonna go west first, because I can't go to the UP without going to Lake Michigan first. So I'm going there too. Alright, that is all. Catch you guys later. See ya!